Hi, class. I know. Times are tough. I brought you a bunny to cheer you up. And that means that puppy isn't far behind. This is Tank. This is Pancakes. Thought you'd want to know everybody's okay. And maybe a little bit of a cute pets makes you feel a little better. So, I hope you're all doing really well and that everybody is happy and healthy in your family and that you're dealing with the mental piece of this okay. I'm just making this video to generally say hi, cheer you up a little with a bunny, and and to show off my new haircut that no one will now see. Ha ha ha. I wanted to let you know that if you want a little bit more information about COVID-19 or coronavirus, to please use the World Health Organization website or the Center for Disease Control website. There is a lot of misinformation being spread around right now, and I don't want you to be falsely informed in such a way that it could risk your health. So please practice social distancing, which means that you are not going to go out into really crowded places, bars, restaurants, just Netflix and chill. Or not chill. Don't tell anybody I said that. You know what I mean. So please do follow guidelines about washing your hands, disinfecting surfaces, especially your phone. This thing is gross, so gross. Please just wipe them down. A little bit of, bleach and water, Clorox if you've got it. If you can still get any wipes, great. Unfortunately, bunnies cannot disinfect. Oh, there you go. Get the bottom feet, the cutest angle. So I also wanted to let you know that this situation is going to get worse. We're going to have a lot more cases reported in the next little while. And I don't want you to panic. That's not because there are more cases happening, although this is very infectious and spreading quickly. But it's also because we just have tests now. So some of the cases that will come up have been there, but weren't tested before. So when you see the numbers go up, especially over the next maybe 3, 4, 5 days, some of that is testing and some of that is spread. So please just exercise caution and social distancing and take care of one another. I recommend using, FaceTime and video software to talk, not just texting, because you need human contact. And if you can't get it, this is a pretty good substitute for now. Even if you just watch Netflix with somebody, while you're teleconferencing. You can also get outside, take walks. Just stay 6 feet away from everybody. New York State has actually made all of their state parks for free right now for you to use. So, disinfect the car and go take a drive and take a hike, and it might make you feel better. I know I've been doing that, and it helps make me feel a little better. So, I wanted to also thank you for your patience. I'm learning a lot of new technology right now, so that I can make sure that our course continues in a continuous way. Of course, I have to make some changes. I'm almost ready to roll out a new plan for you. Hopefully tomorrow I'll have your syllabus ready. I've written them up. I just like to take a minute to think about them and make sure that this is the right decision for how we're going to proceed. So, and I made an announcement about a few of your deadlines last week. So just take a look back at that. Some of your deadlines are still holding or are pushed back a little bit, but you'll get a full detailed schedule, I'm hoping by tomorrow evening. I also wanted to just let you know that I'm doing my best to keep things still dynamic and exciting. I know that distance education can be a bit of a snooze, so I'm going to try and make as many videos as I can and give you opportunities to interact with me using videos so that you're not just writing all the time. I'm sure a lot of other classes are going to be moving to papers and mostly tests, and I'm going to do my best to still keep things exciting for you. And the good news is that in today's workplace, you're probably going to be using a lot of teleconferencing software anyway. So this is a great chance for us to practice and, develop some of those professional skills for using teleconferencing. I don't recommend avoiding the camera, for example, like Pancakes does. She's not a very professional teleconferencer. We'll work on that. So I also wanted to let you know about some technology that you could start practicing with right now to prepare yourself for your classes. I'm not the only professor that's being trained in these. In fact, we've all been taking part in a lot of training this week on these particular software. So if you'd like to learn them before next week, that would be a really good use of your time, and you can start troubleshooting some of the technology now. So, for example, on your Blackboard, you'll see that under My Organizations, you've been enrolled in some Blackboard training automatically by the university. Those videos are fantastic, and I can tell you that you're going to be using some functions in Blackboard that you probably haven't been using before, such as Blackboard Collaborate. We might be using some of that in my class. I'm certain you'll be using that in other classes. Another software that you might want to take a look at is Screencast-O-Matic. That's the software I'm using right now. It is wildly easy to use, and I really enjoy it. It's kind of fun. So, you can test out with that a little bit. You can also start working with Microsoft Teams. You can find that in your 365 software that's available on Blackboard as well. So when you go to log into your Oneonta and you go to your Office 365 apps, you'll see Teams there, and it works really, really well for meetings and teleconferencing. I just used it actually with all the fashion and textiles faculty. We had a great chat, and we're all here to support you through that. I also wanted to let you know about Zoom. It's a pretty good teleconferencing software as well. You might see some faculty using it, although we've mostly been advised to use Teams. I'm also going to be trying to help you troubleshoot some of the technology, but honestly, a lot of this is going to have to go to IT. So IT has set up a special link with services for you to request special training or support while we're in this COVID-19 crisis, and they'll respond to you pretty quickly. Oh, she's so fluffy. Okay, there's a lot of fur in the air. I don't think you can see it. So I also wanted to let you know that I'm working on making your textbooks available online. For now, I don't have that option. And so I sent out an announcement last week about getting a friend to use a free iPhone or any type of Android phone scanner and scan the pages from chapters that you might need, and they can send those to you for now. But I'm working on it. I emailed your textbook publishers, and they're telling me that they're working on getting electronic copies for you, so that should be coming. And, we're working on it. A lot of other companies are also offering different types of free services. So, for example, Spectrum is trying to offer free internet to students. So you might want to take a look at their website if you do have any trouble accessing the internet in your area. I think that's really all I wanted to say. I don't want to make this video too long. I'm long-winded anyway, but I wanted to let you know that everybody here is happy and healthy. I hope you are too. Please remember to take care of yourself, and I can't wait to get back into the virtual classroom with you very soon. At this time, I'm not taking any in-person meetings. I'm sure you're not either, but I want you to know that you can make an appointment with me and we can chat at any time electronically. And, I'll do my best to support you, but at this time I am going to have to refer you to some other types of help as well. So, for example, using IT to troubleshoot when your microphone doesn't work or something like that. So, we're going to all do our best. We're going to all support each other. It's not going to be perfect, but it's going to be pretty good. Okay? And, please don't panic. We're all going to be all right. And, if you, need a reminder of fun, cute things, remember Pancakes. She loves you too. All right? So have a great day, and I look forward to seeing you in the virtual classroom starting on Monday. Take care.